Hello friends, welcome to my video lesson. Friends, today we are going to study unit test number 1. Next question number 3. That is, this question is on poetry section. In the previous video, we have studied question number 1, language study, and question number 2, passage and questions. Now see next page. So this is question this is question number 3, poetry section. Read the following extract and carry out the following activities. Now first of all, see the poem. First of all, we are going to read the poem. O moon, give me moonlight, basket full or 2 baskets full with seeds of moonlight, from the city to my village. On the sides of the path, I want to sow many small moons of light. The whole village goes to the city daily to work. It becomes dark on its way back, as my village is quite far. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Neither bus nor cart plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning. While I am sleeping, O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. So this poem is originally written by Sunil Sharma in Dogri language, and this poem translated into English language. This is an English translation of a poem written in Dogri language. In the poem, a small child in a village wants his father to return early and safely from the city to tell him stories. So he requests the moon to give seeds of moonlight to sow them to lighten the dark route from the city to his village. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या अगोदर पण आपण या कवितेचा अभ्यास केलेला आहे. या कवितेमध्ये लहान मुलगा चंद्राकडे चंद्रप्रकाशाची मागणी करत आहे. त्याचं गाव शहरापासून खूप दूरवर आहे. या गावातले लोक कामानिमित्ताने शहरात जातात. मुलाचे वडील सुद्धा जातात. रात्री ते येताना रस्त्यावर अंधार असतो. रस्त्यावर विंचू, साप असतात. या मुलाला चंद्राकडून चंद्रप्रकाश घेऊन त्याचे छोटे छोटे मूनलाईट्स हे रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूला पेरायचे आहेत. त्यामुळे रस्त्यावर उजेड होईल आणि मग त्याचे वडील लवकर येतील. त्या मुलाला परीकथा सांगतील अशी या लहान मुलाची कल्पना आहे. नाव सी द पोएम. ओ मून you me moonlight, basket full or two baskets full with seeds of moonlight from the city to my village. On the sides of the path, I want to so many small, small moons of light. The whole village go to the city daily to work. Now, here, the speaker of the poem, a small child, requests the moon to give him moonlight. He wants a basketful or two baskets full of moonlight with seeds of moonlight. The child wants to sow the seeds of moonlight on the sides of the path that leads to his village from the city. He wants to sow many small moons of light all along the path. तर या कवितेच्या या पहिल्या भागामध्ये मुलगा चंद्राकडे चंद्रप्रकाशाची बियांची मागणी करत आहे. ही चंद्रप्रकाशाच्या बिया तो रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूला पेरणार आहे. त्यामुळे रस्त्यावर उजेड होईल, कारण गावातील लोक शहरात जातात. ते जेव्हा संध्याकाळी येतात तेव्हा रात्री रस्त्यावर अंधार असतो, विंचू असतात, साप असतात. त्यासाठी त्याला हे मूनलाईट्स रस्त्याच्या दोन्ही बाजूला पेरायचे आहेत. पुढच्या भागामध्ये बघा. इट बिकम्स डार्क ऑन इट्स वे बॅक ॲज माय विलेज इज क्वाईट फार. द रूट इज टफ अँड फुल ऑफ स्नेक्स अँड स्कॉर्पियन्स. नायदर बस नॉर कार्ट plies. When my father returns home, I am asleep, and he goes back early in the morning while I am sleeping. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight on loan. I want to light the dark route so that my father returns early. I too want to hear fairy tales and stories from him. According to the child, the whole village, the entire working population of the village goes to the city for work. By the time of their return to the village, it becomes quite dark as his village is quite far off from the city. Moreover, the route to the village is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Still, the villagers have to tread the same path as there is no cart or bus service. So here, in the case of the child, the speaker of the poem, he is always asleep by the time his father returns home from work. Then again the father leaves early for work in the morning while the child is still asleep. So the child repeats his request for a basket full of moonlight on loan. The child wants to light the dark route to his village so that his father can return early in the evening. Like any other child, he too wants to hear fairy tales and stories from his father. Last stanza. O moon, give me a basket full of moonlight. I want to sow seeds of moon on the sides of the path. Here, finally, in conclusion, the child again earnestly requests the moon to give a basket full of moonlight so that he can sow the seeds of moon on the sides of the path that leads to the village from the city. Now see here, friends, we have seen the meanings of the poem. Now see the activities. Previous that, see there is one word, new word. Plies means travels regularly or to route. Okay, now see next page. Activity number A1. Complete the following sentences with the help of poem. The poem is addressed to, see there is model answer, addressed to the moon. Next, the speaker of the poem is a small child. The child wants to sow the seeds of moonlight on the sides of the path. The child wants a basket full of moonlight on loan. So this is the first activity A1. Now see A2. Complete the web. The child wants the moonlight because, see the answer, he wants to sow the moonlights from the city to his village. The route to his village is full of snakes and scorpions. Now see next activity. A3. Name and explain the figure of speech from the following line. The route is tough and full of snakes and scorpions. Here, figure of speech, alliteration, the sound yes is repeated. Now see next activity. So question number 4, letter writing. Read the following snippet and write a letter based on it. Snippet, that is a pamphlet. See the snippet. Unhealthy choice. On its employee resources site, an organization says that fast food is high in calories, fat, sugar, nitrate, and salt. It may put people at risk of becoming obese. Latta. Pre-packaged snack foods, canned food, bakery items, frozen dinners, canned and packaged meats should be avoided. Homemade food is always a better option to keep oneself fit and healthy. Informal letter. You are Karan or Kiran Shirke, staying at B/12 Sai Sadan Shivaji Park, Kolhapur. Your close friend Akshay or Akshata is in the habit of eating junk foods. Write a letter to him, her, with the help of the points given in the above snippet. You may add your own points to support your subject. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, यामध्ये जे नवीन शब्द आलेले आहेत, प्रथम त्या शब्दांचे अर्थ मी तुम्हाला सांगतो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, स्निपेट, दॅट इज ए स्मॉल पीस ऑफ ए ब्रीफ एक्स्ट्रॅक्ट. मोठ्या भागातून कापून घेतलेला छोटासा तुकडा. दॅट इज जस्ट लाईक पॅम्पलेट. ओबेस, फॅट, लठ्ठ. ओबेसिटी, लठ्ठपणा. कॅन म्हणजे हवाबंद डब्यात भरलेले पदार्थ. फ्रोजन फूड, दॅट इज प्रिझर्व और सप्लाइड इन ए सील्ड कॅन, गोठण केलेले. जंक, पॅकेज्ड फूड. Packaged food, junk foods are low in nutritional. Obesity, लठ्ठपणा. So these are the new words. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण फक्त इन्फॉर्मल लेटर पाहणार आहोत आणि पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण फॉर्मल लेटर आणि ट्रान्सलेशन या दोन प्रश्नांचा आपण अभ्यास करूया. नाव सी ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज. Now here see, there is informal letter and model answer, and here विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इथे डेट आणि जे अभिवादन आहे ते टाईप झालेलं नव्हतं, ते मी टाईप केलेलं आहे. ते तिथे शिवाजी पार्क कोल्हापूर याच्यामध्ये ते घ्यायचं आहे. नाव सी, Karan Shirke, B/12, Sai Sadan, Shivaji Park, Kolhapur, date 15 November 2020. My dear friend Akshay or Akshata, how are you keeping? Here I am fine. I am writing this letter to you because I came across a snippet. This snippet tells us about the unhealthy choice of diet. It throws light on especially fast food and packaged food. I have told you many times that these food items are high in calories, fat, sugar, nitrate, and salt. It may put all of us at risk, and you love fast food and packaged food a lot. So, this letter is just like a warning you to keep away yourself from this food. I have told you many times that these food items cause many diseases like obesity, hypertension, blood pressure, etc. So I request you to avoid canned and packaged meats, frozen dinners, and junk foods. Instead of these food items, homemade food is the best option to keep fit and healthy. I hope you will follow my friendly advice and keep yourself away from these food items. My best wishes are always with you. Convey my warm regards to uncle and aunt. Love to little Aparna. Now I stop my pain. Yours lovingly, Karan. Okay, friends, in the next video, we will study the next question of formal letter and translation. Here, our video lesson ends. My dear students, friends, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, goodbye.